Now let's get practical. Here's exactly how to set up your first high-converting AI influencer campaign. Start by logging into the cloud-based dashboard. The interface is surprisingly intuitive with everything organized in sections. First, click Create New Influencer and select your niche. I recommend choosing 2 to 3 different avatars to test which personality resonates with your audience. For each avatar, customize the voice settings. American accents work well for global audiences, while British tones add professionalism. Next, use the AI script writer to generate your first video script. Input your product details or affiliate offer, and the AI will create multiple script variations. Choose the one that sounds most natural and engaging. Now comes the magic. Click Generate Video, and watch as your influencer comes to life in under 60 seconds. The first time you see this, it feels like science fiction. The lip sync is flawless, the expressions are natural, and the delivery sounds genuinely human. Once your video is ready, download it and optimize the title and description using the built-in viral growth system. The AI suggests trending hashtags and optimal posting times based on your target geography. For best results, I recommend creating 3 to 5 videos per influencer and testing them across different platforms. YouTube Shorts works great for tutorial-style content, TikTok for quick engaging clips, and Instagram Reels for product demonstrations. Schedule your posts for peak engagement hours in your target countries. The beauty of this system is that once you set up your influencers, they work autonomously, creating consistent content that builds trust and drives sales while you focus on scaling your business. Ready to talk about the incredible pricing and bonuses available today? Now let's talk about the incredible value and limited time offer. Normally, InfluAIcer costs $197 per month, which is still a steal compared to hiring real influencers or video editors. But during this special launch, you get lifetime access for just $14.97 one-time payment. That's less than 8% of the regular monthly price. But wait, there's more value. You also get 6 exclusive bonuses worth over $2,000 absolutely free. Bonus number 1, AI-based long video creator with Resell rights. Create unlimited long-form videos and sell them to clients. Bonus number 2, AI copywriter with Resell rights. Generate high-converting scripts and sales copies instantly. Bonus number 3, AI graphics designer. Create stunning visuals without design skills. Bonus number 4, 10K AI prompts with commercial rights. Endless content ideas for any niche. Bonus number 5, AI voice masters. Generate realistic voiceovers in multiple languages. Bonus number 6, huge stock library. Access thousands of premium images and videos. This complete package is valued at over $12,000, but today it's all yours for just $14.97. The commercial license alone is worth $997. It allows you to sell influencer videos to clients and keep 100% profits. I've personally used this to create an additional income stream by offering AI influencer services to local businesses. But you need to act fast. This price is only available for the next few minutes. The timer on screen shows how much time remains before the price increases permanently to $197 monthly. There are limited licenses available at this one-time price, and they're selling quickly. The best part, your investment is completely risk-free with their 30-day money-back guarantee. If you're not amazed by the results, you get a full refund, no questions asked. So the real question is, will you keep struggling with manual content creation or embrace this AI revolution? Before we wrap up, I want to address the most common concern. Is this too good to be true? Having tested dozens of AI tools, I was skeptical too. But InfluAIcer genuinely delivers what it promises. The technology behind this is groundbreaking. It uses advanced face animation engines and voice synthesis that makes digital influencers indistinguishable from real humans. What convinced me was seeing the results myself: consistent engagement, genuine comments from real people, and most importantly, actual sales. The platform is constantly updated with new features and avatar templates based on user feedback. Their support team is responsive and helpful. I've personally reached out with technical questions and received solutions within hours. For those worried about saturation, remember that AI influencer marketing is still in its early stages. Major brands are just beginning to adopt this technology, creating massive opportunities for early adopters. The key is to start now, build your audience, and establish authority before everyone jumps in. Another advantage is the multilingual capability. You can create influencers speaking Spanish, French, German, or any major language to tap into international markets. I've seen creators from India successfully target US audiences and vice versa. the AI eliminates language and cultural barriers. Remember, you're not just buying software, you're investing in a 24/7 sales team that works while you sleep, scales with your business, and never asks for a raise. The one-time payment means no recurring costs eating into your profits. If you're serious about content creation, affiliate marketing, or building an online business, this is the tool that can actually make it sustainable long-term without the burnout and overwhelming workload that causes most people to quit. So what's the next step? Click the first link in the description below this video, it'll take you directly to the special discount page. Secure your InfluAIcer access at the one-time price of just $14.97 before the timer runs out. Remember to claim your 6 free bonuses worth over $2,000 immediately after purchase. I recommend starting with one influencer in your strongest niche, create 5 to 10 videos, and test different platforms. Track your results for 1 week, you'll be amazed by the engagement and conversion rates. If you have any questions about setting up your campaigns, drop them in the comments below. I personally respond to every comment and help our community members succeed. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to SKJ Reviews for more honest AI tool testing. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our weekly reviews that help you stay ahead in the AI revolution. Thank you for watching, and remember, in today's digital world, it's not about working harder, but working smarter with the right tools. I'll see you in the next video where we break down another groundbreaking AI tool that's changing the game for online entrepreneurs worldwide. Until then, keep creating, keep innovating, and most importantly, keep profiting from the AI revolution that's transforming our digital landscape forever. This is SKJ signing off, wishing you massive success with your new AI influencer empire. Stay blessed, stay productive, and I can't wait to hear about your success stories in the comments section below. Let's build the future together, one AI influencer at a time.